everyone! Ayan, ito po ang ating dinner today. Ayan, happy Friday. Finally is weekend. Ayan, nagluluto po ako ng asparagus with Hollandaise sauce and steak. And may red wine po tayo dyan. Ayan, so, putin appetit. Ayan, that's it. And don't forget to share our reels, guys. Thank you for your love and support, unlimited support sa kay Ate Pinay. Thank you so much and happy weekend, everyone.